Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So a standalone Prime Video subscription lets you watch movies and shows without a full Amazon Prime membership. Here is how to set it app quickly. Okay, so go to Prime Video first, like open website primevideo.com or the Prime Video app on your phone if you are using the phone, so it depends what device you are using. Make sure you are on the official platform. This is the most important thing. Okay, sign in or create an account. So use your Amazon account. If you don't have one, click create account or enter your details after that. Same accounts works across all Amazon services. Okay, so choose Prime Video only plan, like look for standalone or Prime Video only subscription. Okay, select this option instead of full Prime. Availability depends on your country, so select subscription type, choose monthly plan, sometimes annual plan, confirm your selection. Pricing varies by region. So add payment method, this is the most important thing also, so enter credit or debit card, other supported payments options, confirm payments, and free trial may be available too. Okay, so start watching, like once subscribed, browse content, click play, you will have an instant access. Okay, like add channels too, like you can also subscribe to extra channels, sports, movies, etc. So these cost extra. Okay, so if if you don't have, or if you don't find standalone option, not available in your countries. Okay, payments declined, try another method. If confusion with full Prime, make sure you select video only. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.